The COVID-19 virus took the world by surprise and changed people's lives in an instant. Everything stopped and people lived in fear for their lives. Then, Typhoon Odette came and gave another blow to the already worsening situation. Talisay City National High School and its community was hit in the worst way possible. School buildings and classrooms were damaged, light and school equipment destroyed, and vegetation were wiped out. This left the school paralyzed and ill-equipped to maintain its services. These calamities, however, did not deter Talisay City National High School from moving on and moving forward. With its resounding bayanihan spirit, the school tapped our local LGU, school partners and stakeholders, as well as our parents and students in rebuilding the school and in turn, rebuilding the students' second home. Through the efforts of our Talisay City local government unit, the school buildings damaged by the typhoon were repaired, amounting to 106,000 pesos. The school was able to purchase fog machines, liters of alcohol, and other disinfectant supplies worth 17,000 pesos thanks to our alumni students. New facilities were added in the school. A mini hotel was created through donations by our former Talisay City National High School faculty. The school was also able to build a new electrical and installation maintenance workshop with a partnership of Yvonne Foundation, costing at around 1 million pesos. These facilities paved way into opening new course offerings to our students. School beautification and recycling is a never-ending task. Old tires donated by our beloved alumni, as well as PET bottles, were recycled into pots and hanging decorations. Tree stumps salvaged from the trees damaged by Odette were turned into bookshelves and decorative materials. Sinulog props were recycled into bicycle stands. Dump sites became vegetable gardens, fish ponds, and mini zoos. Our stakeholders wall was put up, sponsored by Tribus Sugbo, which amounted to 3,000 pesos. A new sound system set, donated by the Office of the Vice Mayor, was welcomed and acknowledged. Canopy, gutter, and electrical fixtures were also done with the LGU's generosity, amounting to 300,000 pesos. In support of the modular distance learning, donations of bond papers by the LGU and our very own SK Dumlug chapter ensured that learning would continue for the students. Together we stand, divided we fall. This is the true essence of Brigada Eskwela. It is the collective effort in collaboration for safe living and addressing social issues and concerns in the school and in the community. The strong and effective partnership between the school and its various stakeholders have led to the sustainable implementation of Talisay City National High School's Brigada Eskwela all throughout the year and in the years to come. Let's continue to preserve our bayanihan spirit.